importing all preferences from home interface. Systems are now fully operational.
I don't know, but I've been told music make you lose control. Music make you lose control. Music make you lose control.
How you guys have to say about it's so good at night light and at the same time so sharp at daylight? Guys, let me tell you the down point of this lens. I took a group photo and here's the result. It doesn't only happen once or twice. Really, this side is so sharp but the other side is out of focus. I don't know if it's aperture of the lens or it's my setting. If you know the reason, guys, please comment down below because I really love to know so that I can correct it every time I shoot a photo. And if you're wondering how the photos went, how do you guys have to say about that? Can you give some